Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, hello. We're so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and I'm really excited about today's lesson because we're going to learn 50 common English phrases for daily life.
Yes, these are phrases you can use every single day, at home, at work, with friends, everywhere.
And the best part, these phrases are super easy to learn and use.
That's right. So if you're new here, welcome. And please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our lessons.
Okay, are you ready to learn 50 amazing phrases today?
Let's do it. Let's get started.
Okay, so let's begin with phrases we use every single morning. What's the first thing you say when you wake up?
I usually say good morning to my family.
Perfect. Good morning is phrase number one. It's so simple and everyone uses it.
Good morning. Good morning. Say it with me, everyone. Good morning.
Great. Now, after good morning, what do you say?
I usually ask, how did you sleep?
Yes. How did you sleep? This is a very common question. You can also say, did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well? How did you sleep? Both are perfect.
Exactly. Now, let me ask you, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
I slept like a baby. That's phrase number three. It means you slept very well.
I slept like a baby. Say it with us. I slept like a baby.
Good job. Now, let's say you're having breakfast. What do you say?
I usually say I'm starving when I'm really hungry.
Perfect. I'm starving means you're very, very hungry. Not just a little hungry, very hungry.
I'm starving. I need breakfast right now.
Yes, you can also say I'm hungry if you're not super hungry, but I'm starving is stronger.
Got it. I'm hungry or I'm starving. Both are useful.
Now, after breakfast, you might need to leave the house. What do you say?
I say I've gotta go or I have to go.
Excellent. I've got to go is very common. It means you need to leave now.
I've gotta go. I've gotta go to work. I've gotta go to school.
Perfect examples. You can also say, I need to get going. Same meaning.
I need to get going. That's a great phrase too.
Okay, now let's talk about phrases we use when we're outside or meeting people. What do you say when you see a friend?
I say, hey, what's up?
Yes, what's up is super casual and friendly. It means, how are you? Or what are you doing?
What's up? What's up, everyone? It's so easy to use.
And how do you answer when someone asks you, what's up?
I usually say, not much, just hanging out, or nothing much, how about you?
Perfect. Not much is the most common answer. It means nothing special is happening.
Not much, just relaxing. Not much, just working. Easy.
Great. Now, let's say you're talking to someone and you need them to repeat something. What do you say?
I say, sorry, can you say that again?
Excellent. Can you say that again is very polite and useful. You can also say, come again?
Come again? That's shorter.
Yes. Or you can simply say, pardon or excuse me?
Pardon? Excuse me? All of these work.
Exactly. Now, what if you didn't understand something?
I would say, I don't get it.
Perfect. I don't get it means I don't understand. Very casual and natural.
I don't get it. Can you explain? That's what I would say.
Good job. Now let's practice some phrases for shopping or being at a store. Ready?
Ready, let's go.
Okay, imagine you're at a store, you want to buy something. What do you ask?
I ask, how much is this?
Perfect. How much is this? This is phrase number 15. Everyone needs this phrase.
How much is this? How much is this shirt? How much is this phone?
Excellent examples. And what if something is too expensive?
I say, that's too expensive or that's pricey.
Yes, that's too expensive or that's pricey. Both mean the same thing.
That's pricey. I like that word, pricey.
Me too. Now, what if you want to try on clothes? What do you ask?
I ask, can I try this on?
Perfect. Can I try this on? Very useful when you're shopping for clothes.
Can I try on these shoes? Easy.
Great job! Now let's talk about phrases for restaurants. Are you hungry?
Haha, yes, I'm starving. Remember that phrase?
Yes, I'm starving. Good memory. Okay, you're at a restaurant, the waiter comes. What do you say?
I say, I'd like to order, please.
Perfect. I'd like to order is very polite. You can also say, can I get, and then say what you want.
Can I get a burger and fries, please?
Excellent. Can I get is super common. Can I get a coffee? Can I get the menu?
Can I get the bill? That's important too.
Yes. Can I get the bill means you want to pay. Very useful phrase.
Can I get the bill, please? Always be polite.
Exactly. Now, what if the food is taking a long time?
I might say, it's taking forever.
Yes, it's taking forever means it's taking a very long time. We use this phrase a lot.
It's taking forever. The bus is taking forever. The food is taking forever.
Perfect examples. Okay, now let's learn some phrases for work or school. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, imagine you're at work and you're very busy. What do you say?
I say, I'm swamped.
Excellent. I'm swamped means you have too much work. You're very, very busy.
I'm swamped. I have so much to do. I'm swamped with work.
Perfect. Now, what if you need help from a colleague?
I ask, can you give me a hand?
Yes, can you give me a hand means can you help me? Very common phrase.
Can you give me a hand? Can you help me with this box?
Great. You can also say, can you help me out?
Can you help me out? That's easy too.
Perfect. Now, what do you say when you finish work for the day?
I say, I'm calling it a day.
Excellent. I'm calling it a day means you're done with work. You're stopping for today.
I'm calling it a day. I'm tired. I'm calling it a day.
Good job. Now let's learn some phrases for making plans with friends. Sound good?
Sounds good. Let's go.
Okay, you want to invite a friend somewhere. What do you say?
I say, do you want to hang out?
Perfect. Do you want to hang out means do you want to spend time together?
Do you want to hang out this weekend? Do you want to hang out later?
Excellent. You can also say, let's hang out sometime.
Let's hang out sometime. I love that phrase.
Me too. Now, what if you're making specific plans?
I might say, how about Saturday?
Yes, how about is perfect for suggesting something. How about Saturday? How about 3 p.m.?
How about we meet at the mall? How about pizza for dinner?
Perfect examples. And what if you agree with the plan?
I say, that works for me.
Excellent. That works for me means the plan is good for you. You agree.
That works for me. Saturday works for me.
Great. But what if the plan doesn't work for you?
I say, I can't make it.
Perfect. I can't make it means you can't go. You're not available.
I can't make it on Saturday. Sorry, I can't make it to your party.
Excellent examples. Very natural. Now let's learn phrases for when things go wrong, okay?
Okay, what do we say?
Well, imagine something breaks. What do you say?
I say, oops, or uh-oh.
Yes. Oops and uh-oh, these are sounds we make when something goes wrong.
Oops, I dropped my phone. Uh-oh, I forgot my keys.
Perfect. Now, what if you made a mistake?
I say, my bad.
Excellent. My bad means it's my mistake or I'm sorry. Very casual.
My bad, I forgot to call you. My bad.
Great. Now, what if something is not working?
I say, it's not working.
Yes, simple and clear. It's not working. My phone is not working. The TV is not working.
The internet is not working. We say this a lot.
Yes, very common. Okay, now let's practice some phrases for giving opinions. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, someone asks your opinion about a movie. What do you say?
I might say, I think it's great.
Perfect. I think is how we start opinions. I think it's great. I think it's boring.
I think it's okay. I think it's amazing. So many options.
Exactly. Now, what if you want to be more careful with your opinion?
I can say, in my opinion, or to be honest.
Yes, in my opinion and to be honest are more formal, very useful.
In my opinion, this restaurant is expensive. To be honest, I don't like this movie.
Perfect. Now, what if you agree with someone's opinion?
I say I agree, or exactly.
Yes, I agree and exactly both show you think the same way.
I agree with you. Exactly. You're right.
Excellent. And if you disagree, what do you say?
I say I don't think so, or I disagree.
Good. Always be polite when you disagree. I don't think so is softer than you're wrong.
I don't think so. I see it differently. Much better.
Exactly. Okay, let's learn phrases for ending conversations. What do you say when you need to leave?
I say I've gotta run.
Perfect. I've